Hello friends, welcome to this training video. In this video we want to wire an industrial switchboard. This switchboard has several single phase and three phase outputs and various type of protection relays are used in it. The first step in the assembly of the switchboard is the installation of the ducts, which is done in this way. Please be with me. The second step is to install the rails. All electrical panel equipment is placed on these rails, so we fasten them well to the electrical panel. This electrical panel has several direct three-phase outputs, for each of which we consider a miniature switch. It also has several three-phase contactor outputs, for each of which we consider a miniature switch. These three miniature switches provide electricity for the control circuit of the electrical panel, next to which we put a phase controller relay to protect the output circuit against two-phase or decrease and increase in voltage. Two of the contactor outputs work as timers, so we use two timer relay for them. We also install a miniature switch for each single phase output to protect the circuits against short circuit. This electrical panel includes 11 three-phase outputs, left round, right round, for each of which two contactors are needed, which we'll install. For each three-phase output, we put a current controller relay to protect the circuit against excess current. We install these contactors for situations where we want to turn on and turn off motors with one switch. These contactors do this for us. Also, four other three-phase outputs for each of which we need a contactor and a current controller relay. Now we install the input and output terminals. This terminal is for neutral and three-phase input. Now we install the direct three-phase output terminals. Each output needs three-phase terminals and one neutral terminal. Now we install the single-phase output terminals. Each output needs a phase and a null. Now we install the three-phase contactor output terminals. Also, for each of these outputs, we connect 4 terminals to connect to its corresponding sensor. Three yellow terminals are installed for three-phase output and 4 green terminals are installed to connect to the sensor. This part of the video is finished. The next part will be uploaded on this channel in a few days. If you like the video, please press the like and subscribe button. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment section. Goodbye.